How to create poll on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create poll in Discord. To create a poll in Discord, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and here type in discord.com in the search bar. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here, click on this Open Discord and make sure you are logged into your Discord account. Once you are logged into your Discord account, you will land on this page. Here, from the left side, click on your server and choose any one of the channel or the community. Once doing that, you will reach inside it. Here, you need to click on this plus button at the bottom. And here, from the drop down, you will be able to see Create Poll option. Go ahead and click on this Create Poll. And now in this Create Poll dialog box, you will need to fill out these boxes. Here in the first box, enter your question. After adding the question, now you will need to add the answers. Click on the first text box and enter your answers. Usually there would be 2 answers, but if you want to add more, you may also click on this Add Another Answer and here type in your third answer. You can add up to 10 answers by repeating the same process. After that, here at the right side, you will find the emoji icons. Click on them and choose the emoji for your answers. After doing that, you will also get the option to add a duration. Click on the duration and choose the duration for your answer. And after doing that, if you want the users to allow multiple answers, then you need to click on this checkbox. If not, you can leave the checkbox as it is. Now, after adding all the details, click on the post button at the bottom right and you can see you have successfully created poll on Discord. Now you need to wait until someone reacts on your message. So by following the steps, you should be able to create or make poll on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.